So under order of operations, we have this. Do you remember BODMAS? It stands for brackets, order, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. The order in which we carry out a calculation is important because in an expression where you have two or more operations, you need to have an order in which you carry out the operations, because if you carry out one operation before the other, it tends to have an effect on it. So BODMAS helps us to have a uniform means of order of operations, and when these orders are being obeyed, then you are eventually going to have the answer. For example, what is 2 plus 3 times 4? In this operation, in this expression, we have two operations, which are addition and multiplication. If you carry out the operation of addition before multiplication, it gives you an answer different from when you carry out the operation of multiplication before the addition. So if we calculate the 2 plus 3 part first, what do we get? We get 2 plus 3 is 5, and 5 times 4 is 20. If we calculate the 3 times 4 part first, we get 2 plus 3 times 4 is 12, and 12 plus 2 is 14. Now that gives us an answer different from when you carry out addition before multiplication. Now these are obviously two different answers, but which one is correct? BODMAS tells us that multiplication comes before addition. So the second answer is correct. So let's look at BODMAS first. Let me write it out. B stands for bracket. O stands for order, or some persons will call it order. In some books, you see it as of. D is for division. M stands for multiplication. A stands for addition. And S stands for subtraction. So what this means is that if you have an operation carrying out two or more of these operations, or all of this, the rule says that you should solve everything that has to do with brackets, after which you carry out the operation of orders or of. D stands for division. Division comes before multiplication, multiplication before addition, and subtraction. But I will tell you at the end that addition and subtraction can be commutative, okay? Meaning you can solve addition before subtraction and it will have no effect. But you can't do that with other operations in this course. All right. So back to what we were saying. We said BODMAS tells us that multiplication comes before addition. So the second answer is correct. Now let's take an example.